Hey, one more around here, and today we're going to show you how to take off these door cards. For this you need a Phillips head, a flat head to take off plugs, and a door cable, trim remover tools, and an Allen key. And apart from that, let's go.
Right, so this on the door card is a little hole. You put the Allen key in and boom, just press as hard as you can, and finally, it'll pop out like that. So if you come straight down, we can see a little indent here. You can put a flat head screw in, or you can get a trim removal tool. Again, these things take a lot of time because it's trim removal, and these cars are like 17,000 years old. Oh. Right, boom, that's finally off, and that uncovers 6 screws. Right back up the top, we've got 2 screws up here. Let's take them out now. And the other one. And now for the 6 screws. And this last one is quite tricky to find, but it's all the way in here. Right, so now just pull it off. Normally the handle comes off. Don't pull it too hard because there's a cable there. You can separate this, and now we can use a flathead screw to help us get this cable off. Here, just remove this part from the mirror. Mine's already broken, so thanks previous owner. Next thing, comes straight down, and you'll see a little indent at the bottom of the door card. You can put your hand here to help you aid getting this off. So up from the side, and boom, that's loose, and now we just go up from the bottom. Make sure at the top here, you slide it over the locking mechanism, because that's not part of the door card. And now I've literally got it stuck on literally thin air. So now we've got it free after that bomb of raw stupidity. Now we've got 3 cables. We've got 1 cable that's part of the window switch that just needs unhooking. And now we've got the locking mechanism electrical switch that we just need to press in and then take out. And then finally got the door cable, which is the hardest thing to get out, and I recommend using a flathead to try and get it out.
Right, so boom, so this is the door card off, and here normally for you we'd have a white bag. However, my white bag is apparently over there because someone's taken this off and then, you know, cut the white bag off for some weird reason. But anyway, this cable here is the door handle cable, and it's probably the toughest thing to get off. First of all, this thing hooks into here, and then you have to somehow get this lead out from this part here and then up through here, and then this lead will come through, and then boom, the door card will come off. I can't really do that, so I'm going to leave it like this for now. But yeah, obviously when you take it off, make sure that if this exposes correctly, which it doesn't, make sure that the door card comes off over the top of this, because this is you know, this is, yeah. Anyway, apart from that, this is how you take off the door card. So right, so boom, that's it. That's all you need to do to take the door cards off. This thing is broken. Look, the way they try to glue it back on is just horrendously awful. I'm going to do another video on this. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a pain when it comes to doing the door cable. I still haven't done that bit yet, but obviously when I start to do the next project, you guys, I'm actually gonna have to take it off to do it. So if this has helped you today, then give me a cheeky subscribe. You know how it is. And plus, I'll see you guys in another one. What? Pow.